In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Hebrew calendar as an alternate calendar to your iPhone's calendar app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings and then just scroll down until we find calendar. Once it is done, on that screen you can easily find alternate calendars. By default it is always switched to off. However, in here we can select one of these calendars. In this case I'm gonna select Hebrew. And then if we go back to our calendar app, we can see that now it is showing us the main calendar and the Hebrew calendar as an alternate at the same time. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.